Today is a special day for Masjid Istiqlal, Toronto, Canada, and the community around it. It welcomes everyone, regardless of their religion. Today marks the first time for the mosque to have its Open House to Connect Communities event, where it offers some exciting and beneficial programs such as mental health awareness, tax clinic, job aid, calligraphy, henna, and Nabodas.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Adi Hidayat, Muslim scholar from Indonesia. From this video, please allow me to congratulate to Masjid Istiqlal, Toronto for the opening host to connect the communities around the mosque especially. I hope that the existence of Masjid Istiqlal, Toronto is able to present the best face and the best inspiring of Islam to all of communities around the mosque especially, or to the people of Toronto in general. Thank you for the people from board, all members, the mayor, and also the communities who supported the existence of the mosque. We hope that we can create the good tolerance, the good interaction between us, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Whoever we are, we would like to be a good role model as an individual, as a community, as Muslim, that we need to be a good role model to show our ability, that we are a good neighbor, we make a good impact, we make a positive things in wherever we are.
So I love the fact that you have opened the doors here to this beautiful mosque. You have taken a building that was a traditional Christian church built in the 1800s, and now you are maintaining it as a place of worship and a place of community with a little bit of a different spin, with a slightly different story, but the essence of this building remains the same.
We have to show the face of Islam, Rahmatan lil Alamin. Mercy to humankind and universe, peace to the humankind and universe. I believe this mosque will bring joy, will bring peace.
It is attended by visitors from neighborhoods, diplomats, officials, the Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia to Canada, Consul General, Mayor, regional councillors, the interfaith councils, other mosque imams, fire department, and police department.